traders, hello, and people who just like to watch videos and may not be calling themselves traders, welcome as well. Thank you for watching. Now, so to the forum members, I'm posting this up. Obviously, it's not Vimeo. It's going to be YouTube upload. So this is the situation with Vimeo. So I put a video up, just a naked forex now forum. I was just showing an individual, a quick one page, and I think I got flagged for that. And apparently, so I must upgrade to Vimeo Pro. So it's been suspended. And let's see how much Pro costs. Learn more. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it's Vimeo Pro's 24 a month. No, I don't need that in my life. All right. So I'm going to close that down. So it was 15 a year with what I was doing, and I would not say what I'm doing is, commercial at all. To be honest, it's more learning and a teaching type tool. So interesting from them, but that's fine. So the party had to end sometime, and it has. So keep the YouTube uploading now, so that's why you'll see it. And I'm not doing the original DBB alert method, so this is just the Bollinger Band with the 20-day moving average midline. These are 2 deviation bands, so that's what you're seeing. Okay, so we're doing the pound US dollar 4-hour chart, a 90 months process with 50 trades were taken, and 9.96 months processed. Previous test there were no trades, and the win rate 60%. Max drawdown was $712, so that would represent around 7% because this was originally a 10,000 US dollar account opening balance, and max profit trade was 274, and profit factor is 1.47. All right. Get my calculator ready. So we've got a 93. All right. Okay, we'll start the test. Okay. So it's a trend method as well. So if you can play nice, it's probably. I was going to say it's emerging to being an uptrend, but absolutely not. Oh god. 11 price action does exactly what you were talking about. It does the opposite of that, so it makes you look like an idiot. That happens a lot to me as well. A bit cold in Perth as well. So Perth wise anyway, it's like 14 is the max. I'm gonna go daily back to 4-hour quite a little bit. I also go to the weekly, and that's how I establish my support and resistance as well. So I like to keep this at least 300 pips apart. If it's a little bit too close, 200 is the real cutoff. If it's worse than that, then it's plenty. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. I think it disappears if I don't. I think that's how the screencast software works. If I move it, a yellow orb sort of circles around it. Right, it's 91 now. So so this expansion of the bands are occurring, but sorry guys. I mean, is it done enough? I mean, the grand scheme of things, it's not a downtrend on the daily. It's still very. It'd have to clear here for me to really just looking at that chart. But the 4 hours pretty. Gosh, you know what? When my gut feeling is indifferent and not really wooed, typically that's not a bad thing from an novice trader to sort of feel like that. 97. Hope everyone and if there's anyone in America who watches this, happy 4th of July. Is it sort of? Well, no, it is. Yeah, it is. It'd be 4th of July. Very early. 197. Okay, and 0.51. That's looking pretty good. Okay. So we do this first, so I don't forget, because I love doing that. Sort of the thing that I do pretty well. Oh man. So Sean, you'll get I backtest every day. So since me Vimeo or well, I'm sort of done with them. So I'll be backtesting every day and uploading YouTube every day as well. So I have to grow the channel and get a few more people involved. Really, I'm not doing this for money at all, to be honest, guys. It's just that's really not what I'm here for. So, but there's always going to be people that are going to say that. So I bring this up just to make sure. We'll get to the weekly as well. How are we for? Is that the take? Okay, so that's the take profit. So I don't want to have the take profit after resistance, but there's the resistance. All right, so okay, we'll see how this goes. I don't really have many expectations. All right, so if it doesn't open the trade within 2 counts, we close out. So that was Control C right there. So no, that's not it's a no trade. I mean, it probably would have cashed me out, but rules are rules. The probability, in not triggering within the next 2 candles is pretty high that it's not going to behave like you want to see. So that's why I do that. All right. Oh, that's the next. It's a bit too close. So that's actually dropped nicely. It's unfortunate how that's happened, really, because I've missed the. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I respect, if you're taking a sell into support close by, it's a little bit dicey. See what I mean? It's just gonna bounce. And normally, it did crack through that, so that wasn't as strong, that level there, or zone. I've been blabbering on a lot. Not even 92 months. Okay. So it's going through now. Just with how the bands are tightening up, we might see a little bit of consolidation around on the top and through it a little bit. It can be a little laggy sometimes, so I might be pressing it and then it will freeze and then it'll just sort of shoot off and print 10 candles in a row, but it's been pretty good. Okay. Oh, it's gapped a little bit on the daily. Sorry, guys. Get some expansion. That's what I'm watching for. So if you would have a checklist, it would be band expansion, trading in a trend, not close to resistance if it's a buy, not close to support if it's a sell trade. And look, use pending orders. Don't do the market stuff. Just don't do that. The higher probability is where you've set it and there's a little more control and you can see where things are going. This means you probably will lose less unnecessarily. That's what I've found. I've been testing quite a lot. I can show you the videos that I have on Vimeo. I mean, no one else can watch them but me. I mean, if you really want to watch, I could give you my login and my password. That's a bit of trust there. I don't know what you're going to do with, back testing videos. I'm certainly not the most popular guy on YouTube, that's for sure. Alright, so this is a bit of a no-go because the context is pretty ugly now. So it's just, yeah, for me, I like it to be a little more defined in the trend. Alright, so that's 93. We had one cancelled order, guys. I'll put this up straight away. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. We're doing Trade Talk Pippin Ain't Easy, episode 19. With Connor, we'll be putting that up. That'll probably be up around 11 p.m. Sydney time tonight. So stay tuned for that, guys. Bye.